Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today's recipe is a very popular iftar menu item that becomes a Ramadan season staple in many households. This is made either using semolina, oats, or even rice. Today I'm making the one using semolina. This is the Suji version of the Ramadan Ganji or Ramzan Aash. I've used about 1 cup of Suji or semolina, and we're going to roast this a bit till it turns really aromatic and a little light brown in color. Don't use the chiroti rava. You can use a little thicker version of it, or you can even use bansi rava. But I've chosen the in between one. And we are going to use moong dal, which is about 2 tablespoons. We are going to roast this also till it becomes nice and aromatic and a little brown in color. This dish is very popular in Ramzan because it's easy to digest, it's healthy, and it's really very tasty. So first let's start making the masala for this rice ganji. I've used about 4 tablespoons of oil. You can add accordingly to your requirement. And to this I've added 2 finely chopped onions, medium sized. If it's a large onion, you can just add 1. We're not going to brown this. Once it gets transparent, add a handful of chopped coriander, about 7 mint leaves and 2 green chilies. Here again, chilies you can add according to your taste. This is widely used in many parts of India and it's known with different names. So it's also called Kanji, Nombu Kanji, Ash or Ramadan Ganji. I'm adding about 3-4 teaspoons of salt. We'll be adding some more later. And ginger garlic paste about 1.5 teaspoons. We'll just fry this for a minute till it gets till the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste goes away. This is a must-try dish. It's really very nutritious, and we are going to use keema in this recipe. You can use either chicken, mutton or beef keema to make this. It tastes absolutely delicious. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, please add it according to your taste, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Without letting the masala burn, we'll quickly add in the keema. We don't need a lot of keema for this, just a little bit we'll be using. You can add accordingly, just about you can say a little less than 1/4 cup also, just a little half handful of keema. We'll fry it till the keema gets cooked. This gets cooked really fast and it's very easy to make this. You can find many more Ramadan Ganjis on my channel, Sara Cooks for You. I've made one with rice, one with chicken, one with oats. So I have a variety of them. I'll leave the links in the description box. And once the keema is cooked, I've used these 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We'll puree them and add it to the keema. The minced meat is also very fine, so it's already cooked. We don't need to cook this a lot. So we'll just add in the tomatoes and we'll fry the keema in it. Now we'll add the roasted suji and the dal. I forgot to mention one thing. When you add the oil, you can add cinnamon, elaichi and clove, that is cardamom and clove, 2 each. I'm using the powder, so I haven't added it in the beginning. If you don't have the garam masala using patta, long and elaichi, then you can add in the whole garam masala. I've added about 2 glasses of water to this. We need, before closing the cooker, I've added a total of 6 glasses. You can add more according to the consistency. So we need it to be in this consistency. Don't add too much before pressure cooking because it comes out. And finally, I told you I'm using the garam masala powder, so I'm just adding about 3 pinches of it, not too much. And grated coconut, fresh grated coconut, you can add up to 2 tablespoons. It's as simple as this. It's really very easy to make it. It's highly nutritious. It has a lot of carbohydrates and proteins, and it's really well cooked, so it's easy to digest for a fasting person. So we'll just close the lid and allow it to pressure cook for about 2 whistles, or after 1 whistle you can put it on simmer and cook it for about 10 minutes. Let the steam come off and then open the cooker and add some more water to maintain the consistency. It doesn't have to be too thick, it has to be of this consistency. Add salt or whatever spices you feel need to be added, and then the ganji is ready to be served. Do try this amazing and tasty sooji or semolina ganji and let me know in the comments section if you liked it.